In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a TradingView Premium trial for free for 30 days, along with some tips on potentially extending those benefits through broker partnerships. Whether you're familiar with TradingView's powerful charting tools or exploring them for the first time, this guide will help you navigate the process seamlessly. Let's start with the official free trial method. First, you'll want to visit the TradingView website. Once there, keep an eye out for the Try Free for 30 days option, which you'll see associated with their premium plan. This is a fantastic opportunity to unlock all the features that come with a premium subscription, from advanced chart layouts to comprehensive market data. As part of this trial, you will need to enter your payment information, including your card details. Now, don't worry about being charged immediately. TradingView allows you to enjoy the full range of their premium offerings during this trial period. However, it's crucial to note that if you don't cancel before the 30 days are up, you will incur charges. So it's a good idea to set a reminder to cancel the subscription if you decide not to continue with the premium service once the trial ends. Moving on from the official trial, let's delve into some exciting options available through broker partnerships. These can offer extended benefits beyond the initial 30 days if you meet certain trading volume criteria. For example, Vantage, a popular broker, offers a unique promotion. If you decide to open an account with them, you'll have the chance to opt in for refunds, and upon meeting minimum trading deposit and volume requirements, you could receive a refund for your TradingView subscription. Then there's Fusion Markets. With Fusion Markets, if you trade a minimum volume of 2 FX major or metal lots per month on your account linked to TradingView, you'll find yourself eligible for a free TradingView subscription. This is particularly enticing for active traders who regularly engage with these types of trades. Lastly, let's talk about Black Bull Markets. They offer a tiered reimbursement plan based on your trading volume. By trading 1 FX or metal lot per month, you'll be eligible for a free TradingView Essential account. If you trade 5 lots, you can upgrade to an Essential Plus account. And for those who manage 10 lots monthly, a premium account awaits. Whichever tier you qualify for, the cost is reimbursed straight into your live trading account, allowing you to experience TradingView's premium features without an additional out-of-pocket expense. In summary, whether you choose to go with TradingView's straightforward 30-day free trial or take advantage of broker partnerships with Vantage, Fusion Markets, or Black Bull Markets, there are plenty of options to explore TradingView's premium functionalities for free. Enjoy digging into those charts, and happy trading.